King Piers, day 5. We're getting rid of about 5 feet or more of the dirt inside the 4-foot crawl space to end up having 9 feet concrete filled, reinforced with number 4 rebar, 9-foot tall walls, sitting on a new 3-foot by 1-foot thick footing. Everything high strength concrete. What's up, sunshine? This back porch is going to come off here eventually. Once we get everything dug out, homeowner wants this all put in a pile and gone. I think we're going to probably get a dumpster out here. Stay tuned, King Piers. We're at it. We're not going to stop until we're done. There's only so much space in there right now inside that crawl space. We get that dirt dug out a little bit further. We'll come in and stabilize and start taking out once we get it down to where it's going to be 9 foot height, and from the top of the concrete floor to the bottom of the ceiling joist. Be 9 foot tall. Really nice project. It's going to be a beautiful home when they're done. Started out, had a lot of rock we were pulling out of here. We're going to save this for the homeowner. Lots of landscape material right there, folks, free. For all your foundation repair needs, call me. 816-521-8915. You can always go to my website, kingpiers.com. Thank you.